Everybody became quiet. What happened? I was.
Yeah,
We're counting 30 seconds.
Counting 30 seconds, actually.
All right. So 30 seconds are over. So let's start. So good morning, friends. My name is Amit Chavla.
Good morning.
And I welcome. Please go on mute, everyone, please. Uh, Hello, everyone. My name is Amit Chavla, and I welcome you all to Inner Circle meeting today. By profession, I'm a business clarity coach, and as president, my responsibility is to provide leadership and vision for Inner Circle. Let me start. Let me start introducing the leadership team of Inner Circle. Along with me, I have Mr. Anand Pol as the vice president of this Inner Circle. Both of us are successful business people, and we have taken up this accountability to contribute to the growth of Inner Circle. Please feel free to reach out to us in case something is not working out or you have any feedback to make things better. I invite Mr. Anand Pol to take us through the details of today's meeting. Mr. Anand Pol, you're on mute. You are on mute. Yes, now we can hear you.
So you want me to speak and Atul is making me muted. Anyhow, thank you very much. Good morning, everybody, those who are there on the platform today and those who are only listening from home. Thank you very much. Myself, Anand Pol, Vice President of eGrowth Platform. I'm based out of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. By profession, I'm a coach, I'm a trainer, I'm a functional consultant for the ERP functional mapping. I work with Mr. Amit Chavla ji, who is the president of Inner Circle, to ensure that you win in your business. Let me take you through the how these meetings will go. Purpose of the Inner Circle is explained. Introduction to the leadership team is already done by the president. First, we will invite your guests to introduce themselves in 60 seconds, and then we'll have a round of introduction of the members. The member who will get 90 seconds to share their profile. Next, we'll have 15 minutes action session, which will be led by Amit Chavla ji, our president. And this is where we'll perform the live actions to generate business for each other. Then we'll have 30 minutes of the create session. Today, I'm happy to say that, I'm delighted to say that I'm taking the create session today. And before we go for the next session, after that, we'll have 15 minutes of the gratitude and networking session, and then it will be completion by 9:30 or so. This is what is going to be the proceeding of the meeting today. So before we go to the meeting, I'll request everybody to introduce.
No, sorry. Before that, I'll just open that presentation.
Okay.
But Anandji, if you can also tell a bit about the Industry Connect that we have done in the last month,
okay,
that
definitely,
focused
that will
attention.
be, absolutely,
Then we go.
absolutely. During last one month, we had two very successful Industry Connect. One was with Mr. Sunil Raithata, who is from Jalna industry and who is having the exports to 70 plus countries in the world. And another one was with Mr. Umesh Dashrathi, who was MD of Rucha Engineering Private Limited and the Yantras. And we really got a very successful support and participation from the provider. Doing this Industry Connect is to get into this industry without having the industries on the platform. We are all service providers, coach, and doing business. But unless the industry is available on the platform, we will not have one-to-one connect with the industry and the service providers. So that was the basic intention of doing the Industry Connect on the eGrowth platform. During last April also, we did it for 3 people, and during this month also, during the month of May, we did 2 Industry Connects, which were really good and which was informative, and people have given insights of the futuristic things which are expected after pandemic. Thank you, Amit ji.
Thank you. I'll just share the presentation.
Yeah.
Yes. You can go through this now.
Yeah. See, See, this is the preamble of the inner circle. That is inner circle, e-growth. Inner circle is a power networking. 1 minute, Amiji, just a minute. Hello, can you just reduce it because it's slightly going beyond the screen. One minute, just a minute. Yeah, inner circle is a power networking consisting of hand-picked entrepreneurs meet regularly to build business. 5 core ethics are exchange of opportunities, problem solving, knowledge sharing, valued contacts, and expand industry connect. Now, as a practice, we always promise ourselves. So what I'll do is that I'll read this promise which we are going to take. It's a oath rather, we'll say, and then you will repeat with me. I, Anand Paul,
I, Amit Chawla,
passionate about
passionate about
Out.
being in action,
Being in
Being
action,
being innovative,
being innovative,
and being generous.
and being generous.
I take responsibility at all times.
I take responsibility at
contributing
all times.
I am committed
I am
I'm committed
to sustainable businesses.
to sustainable business.
business.
In my space,
In my
space,
space,
business experiences,
business
exponential
experiences, exponential growth,
exponential growth
Growth.
and inner circle
and
and inner
inner
circle
continues to evolve as a structured ecosystem,
continues to evolve as a structured ecosystem.
and it is my promise.
It's
It's
my
my
And it
promise.
is my promise.
Thank you very much for following me. Now, eGrowth is having its own app also, which everybody can download. Those who have not done it, we request them again to download the eGrowth app, which talks about the business. It's a business directory provision which has already been made, buy and sell wall, PTP chat, person to person chat, discussion forum, and business listing. If you go through this in business forum and in the business discussion forum, you will find that people, those who have their questions, they are putting their questions, and the experts from eGrowth are answering to those questions. Thank you. Next, please. Leadership team. It's Mr. President, Mr. Amit Chawla, who is a clarity coach, myself, Vice President Anand Port, action session expert, Mr. Rashesh Panditji. I think he is not there today. Create session coordinator, Mr. Harish Sharmaji, Mr. Sukhdeep Malavi, H2H coordinator, Mr. Mithilesh Jhasar, Mr. Manish Kumarji, industry body connector, Mr. Virendra Ingle, Mr. Satya Gupta, and I am also supporting this industry body connect team. Rajesh Vidyaja, and secretary treasurer Mr. Manish Kumar, and Ronika is supporting his team, and sponsor it's Mr. Atul Puri, who is a founder also. Next, please.
I'll take over from there. Just for
Yeah,
introductions.
please. Thank you very much, Abhijit.
Thank you. All right. So friends, so what we'll be doing next is introductions of all members. And these are things which have to be shared in the introduction. I'm just giving that template to you. So be prepared for it. You have to share your name, your profession and business name, your core service and benefit. Your ask, very important, please share your ask. In this platform, obviously there are gifts, but we would like to hear your ask. And the number of H2H, which is the one-to-ones which has been done, and the number of referrals and the business which have been given, if any. And the ask is very important. And I'm sharing this slide with you. Those who are new, please take the screenshot of this. This is what we'd like to see. When you give the ask, what do you want to, which type of people you want to connect with? You need to tell the role, very important, share the role of the person that you want to connect with. Is it a CEO of a company? Is it an HR head, purchase head, or or let's say admin head. So please give that clarity to us that what is the role you want to connect with. Name of the person, if you know the name of the person whom you want to connect with, please share that. Possibly some of us may know that person. Then the company name and the type, what type of company that you want to connect with, from which industry, that will be very useful. And the company's size. The size of the company, is it 1,000 crore company, 500 crore company, or whatever. And location, location being in India or in Southeast Asia, Gulf, wherever. So just mention the location and the pain areas. That what is the pain area of that person that you would like to address, because then we can probably find that right connect for you. And as an example, I've just shared mine because that was easier for me to do. Like I mentioned, is role, the type of person I want to connect with is the founder or the CEO of software services company or product company or any service company with 50 plus employees and INR 10 CR plus revenue. Located in India, could be abroad also, but I put specifically India. Pain areas being stagnant for 2 to 3 years, or they are ready for the next level growth. They have been growing exponentially, but now they are ready for the next level growth. So that's a kind of person I want to connect with. This is my example, but please use this as a template to define your ask very clearly. So when you get a time now, I'll be asking the guest first to introduce themselves. But when you're going to introduce, please make sure you tell your ask more explicitly so that we are able to help you out in growing your business. All right. Thank you so much. And we'll start with introduction. We'll be doing introduction in batch of 3. So I'll create a batch of 3 randomly, and then we'll go ahead with it. So it will start with Graham, then Anjali, and then Mr. Raman. Mr. Graham, 60 seconds to introduce yourself along with your ask.
Okay, I get to go first, huh?
Yes, you came first.
I'm on it. Okay, so yeah, I'm Graham Lucas. I recently joined KPI for Business, Elocate Business here in Thailand as Chief Sales and Commercial Officer. We are a company that develops smart factory and smart city IoT solutions. Our main objective is to bring the technology to everybody. So typically the technology we offer is something that can be put into smaller and medium-sized factories as well as large factories. It's completely scalable and affordable. Okay, so let me have a look at your questions. I haven't had time to really prepare your answers here.
Your ask is most important.
Yeah. So
what type of people you want to connect with?
There's two things we're asking for at the moment. One is we're looking for partners to help take our technology into the Indian market. So we're looking for someone who can help us to approach factories, offices, people that are supplying services to offices and factories that can then take our product and put it into theirs. And this can be any size of business, but typically where we're finding success so far in Thailand is in medium-sized factories and small factories and office locations.
Okay.
So that's one side, and also we are looking then also for actual companies that want to take solutions as well. So, for instance, one of our successful deployments here in Thailand is with a company making garments. It's a sewing company, and what we're able to do is help to make their workflows more efficient by tracking operator movements.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please, others, please just listen to the ask. And if you have some connect for Graham, please put in the chat box or fix a H2H with him.
Thank you.
To know more about him. All right. Thank you so much. Anjali, you are next. You're on mute. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anjali Gupta. I am a coach of public speaking. I run my organization by the name of Eloquent now. I help the entrepreneurs, C-level people and professionals, all those who would like to get better at their stage speaking skills. I help them make their presence better on the stage. My ask would be, once again, in case I could get connected to the entrepreneurs, professionals, sales professionals especially, who would like to better their presence on the stage and who find communication as a challenge. Well, this is my short introduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think there'll be many who would be looking for your services for sure. Mr. Raman, you're next.
My name is Raman Krishnan. Krishnan is my name. Raman is my dad's name. I run a lighting design studio called Principal Focus Lighting and Engineering Services, headquartered in Dubai, but I'm based in Chennai. So we operate in Gulf as well as in India. My pain areas is everybody. Let's put it that way. It's not a pain area, but all my clients who are build something from a home to the largest factories to the airports to hospitals. Everybody is my client. So we deal with developers, architects, interior designers. So that's my forte. Apart from designing, we can also ensure that we can do peer review for existing design in case there is a trouble, something has happened, we can do peer review. And I'm also involved in IoT through my friends in Chennai. They are one of the largest IoT companies. Probably I could speak to Graham in the future on the subject. And when he speaks about smart city includes lighting, it includes poles, it uses connectivity for various things like subjects like video cameras, listening devices, so on and so forth. It's a great subject to be in today's world, especially. And possibly I would touch base with you, Graham, very soon on the subject. We could do wonders for sure. And in addition, I have some friends who are based in Malaysia who are developing resorts in Thailand, which possibly we could work on that together. That's about it.
Beautiful.
So my client base is everyone who builds a home and everybody who builds the largest airports in the world. So they are all my clients. And I have experience in all these areas in the 41 years I spent in the lighting industry. And today my passion is healthcare, because that's one of the most neglected areas in India, especially with respect to lighting. So lighting heals apart from giving you vision and visibility. That's my introduction.
Beautiful. Very nice introduction, and thanks for coming. And I think both of you, Graham and Mr. Raman, just exchange your phone numbers on the chat box. Otherwise,
I have already taken note of it.
Make sure you fix up the time. We'll give you time today to fix up the SOH also.
Perfect.
Because action will happen then. Right. We go to Ajish next. Ajish.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I'm Ajish. I'm representing Two Analyze Business Solutions LLP. We are a software development company, and we are in Trivandrum, Kerala. Actually, we have around 50 numbers of developers we have, and 3 salesperson also. And we are looking for connect with the people in IT dealers, like computer, hardware, and IT dealers. Anyone who contacts an IT dealers, please connect with me. And also I have some products called Wi-Fi hotspot management system. This software is mainly used in hotels and restaurants. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Great. I think Mithilesh ji, you will be able to help Ajish through your BNI Connects, whatever he needing. So you will have probably good connects for him. So next we'll go to Mithilesh ji, and I think there are no guests. Any guests who have left?
There is a guest who's just come in, Mr. A. Sharma.
Mr. A. Sharma. Can you please unmute yourself? Otherwise, we will start with Mithilesh ji and R.K. Mishra. You two are next. Mithilesh ji, you are on mute, still on mute. Yes. Yes, now I can hear you. Yeah.
Good morning,
I can hear
everyone. So I'm Mithilesh Jha. I'm into supply chain and logistics industry since 1998. We are handling 10 kg to 10,000 metric ton commercial cargo. My company Techige India Private Limited is based at Delhi with overseas office in Singapore and warehouse at Guangzhou. movement of medical accessories, machines, trading items, agro products, white goods, metals we are handling. Presently handling good number of shipment of oxygen concentrate from China to India and other items. Due to overseas offices and network, we are handling third country shipments also from China and Far East country to all over the world. Please connect me to exporters and importers for logistics requirements. I have 4 S2H after last meeting. We have Satya sir's meeting, Anand Kumar ji, Rajesh Buddhi Raja sir ji, and Anand Pool sir. Connected Praveen Jindal, agro product exporter, to Anand Kumar ji. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am R.K. Mishra, ex-telecom services person, having 33 years experience in government working in Ministry of Communication as well as TRI and PSQs in telecommunication. Thereafter, I'm running a company named SAM Corporate Advisors, which is in regulatory compliances in telecom domain. Of course, we are supporting in all verticals of telecommunication and IT, but especially in telecom licensing, it's the regulatory compliances, it's auditing, and all verticals of telecommunication. Our office is in Delhi, in World Trade Center. We support basically to all telcos, telecom service providers. So our ask would be always that connect us to any telcos at the higher level only. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now we'll go to, is Mr. Ash Sharma there? Can you please unmute yourself? No. Let's go to the next is would be Rajesh Budiraja, Manish, and Viren. Rajesh.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. Rajesh Budiraja. I live in New Delhi. I'm by education a chemical engineer from IIT Kharagpur, and I've been about 42 years in the corporate world in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd, Roots Cooling. I've had very good H2H with Martin this last week, and I've got him a connect with a tire manufacturing company. And my give, of course, is anyone who needs a connect to any manufacturing sector industry, whether it's engineering companies, automobile, or any related industry with automobile. I can give you good connects at the senior level. And my ask is to get me connected with the CEOs and production heads of manufacturing companies, because we are a platform of technical experts. Krishnan is also on that platform. And where we are giving a kind of peer group advice to large and medium sector companies to improve their productivity. So that's my ask. Thank you.
Thank you. Manish.
Myself, Manish, by profession, I'm chartered accountant. I'm providing the consultancy to convert your business into cash-rich business and for succession planning. Being the cash-rich business is the first step for creation of business for next generation. Currently, I am working with a real estate guy who is looking for the business succession planning. My ask, who is running the family business, having turnover more than 1 CR, and they are struggling with ownership issue. And last week I did 2 S2H, one with Rajesh Pandit and another with I'm forgetting the name. Yeah, and all are welcome to attend my business succession webinar tomorrow 7 p.m. Thank you.
What's the webinar about, Manish?
That is for the succession planning and what is the importance of will and how you can do the succession planning in your life and business.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think people should attend. Those who have not attended his webinar before, it's very informative. Yeah, next is Viren.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra Ingle. I'm a founder of Velocity Accelerator Private Limited. I'm a business coach, retail franchisee coach, and sales and distribution consultant. Before entering into business, I worked for corporates for almost 20 plus years. I worked for companies like Sony Pictures and Tata's. Currently, I'm on a mission to help solopreneurs, MSMEs, and SMEs to create next level leaders by, and autopilot their business by one-to-one business coaching. Currently, I'm also running my own 4 verticals. One is in business coaching and consulting. I'm also a director of Provings Herbal, which is a Medico Point pharma retail. And I'm proud to say that I'm opening one store in this pandemic also, which is now ready, and we will be having inauguration in this week. Provings Herbal, I'm having around 22 products of Ayurveda, and a Tally on mobile app, which is my technology company. So this is all about me. As far as H2H, unfortunately, because I was busy with my webinars, I could not do H2H with our members. But yes, currently I'm running a few webinars, and tomorrow also I have one webinar. On 5th, I have a webinar on sales excellence. So this is all about me, and I'm looking for a connecting with business owners and those who are facing challenges and really interested to overcome it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Viren. Next is it's ladies' time. So Sucheta Shefali Dharmishta. Sucheta, you're first.
Yeah, good morning once again, everyone. This is Sucheta Acharya, founder MD at Baby Prints and founder director at Saukya. We are basically quilt manufacturers in for babies and for everyone. We are into international markets. We are not into domestic market at all. 4 years into the business, and we are into 5 international markets. Trying to grow more and more. For 1 year, we have been establishing different units for needy women and helping them to sustain them on their own and stand on their own. And both the companies are completely women enterprises, and we basically support single mothers and help them stand holding their head high in the society. Thank you so much. My specific ask would be importers from other countries, buyers from other countries, big buyers from other countries. I would also like to take the opportunity to thank Mr. Anand Pool. He is actually my buddy, and he has been inquiring about my family every day in the morning and evening. So thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Sucheta. Shefali, you're back.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I've been a little tied up with the household things, but it's okay. I represent Career Genie Consulting. I'm a recruitment strategist. Both my organization and myself have been award winners at multiple levels because of our contribution, not only to the country, but also, to the women of our country. We are also a women-led company. I run an online firm now. We went online in the year 2018. We are recruiters specific to the domain of manufacturing, but very recently we've also expanded our operations into other manufacturing domains as well, including healthcare. We are currently expanding in GCC countries. We have presence in APAC and also countries like Bangladesh, etc. We recruit Indians, we recruit Sri Lankans, people from Philippines, and also Bangladeshis, Pakistanis, etc. My ask primarily is that anybody who is facing challenge related to people, I'm an author of a book called, Recruit Right. It's a framework I created which can actually help resolve most recruitment issues of the company and build the system from within themselves. So any firm suffering from or facing any challenges related to recruitments or HR, I can resolve their issues. I'll be sharing my LinkedIn profile as well, and maybe a Calendly link. You can just book a 20-minute call with me, which is free of cost, to resolve any of your issues. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shefali. I think your service will be very valuable because we had a lot of industry connects, this speakers coming from manufacturing industry in the Tuesday calls. So I'm sure people issues with everyone. So they're good options for you. Dharmishta, you're next.
Good morning, eGrowth. This is Dharmishta Shah, based in Mumbai, services pan India. we are a one-stop solution to all your financial requirements because I help people have freedom of time and money by ensuring that they get the right insurance, Mediclaim, mutual funds, wills, and alternate and passive income. And husband Pradeep is a CM. Having said that, in case we need to have a one-to-one, definitely let's get connected on personal message. That's it from me. My ask for this week is, in case you know any one person who doesn't want to visit a lawyer but have their will made, this is Dharmishta Shah, will help guide to ensure that the why, how, and what in the process is clear. Bye for now. Take care. Happy networking. Happy investing.
Thank you. Thanks, Ramishta. Next, we'll have Mr. Anand Nayak. Is he there or he was there earlier? Okay. All right. So next would be Satyaji and Atul.
Oh, good morning, everyone. I'm Satya Gupta, a social entrepreneur from New Delhi, 41 years experience in telecom domain. Presently, I'm trying to build a Section 8 company called DigiGaon Foundation, converting unemployment into entrepreneurship. It is mainly focusing on the rural women, especially the daughter-in-laws in villages, to make them self-supporting and raise their esteem and become an earning member of the family while still doing the common household chores. This is actually motivated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of PM Wani, Pradhan Mantri Wi-Fi Access Network Interface, which is a Indian software product with Indian IPR, actually, which was motivated by the creator of Aadhaar, Dr. R.S. Sharma, who is presently the chief or CEO of the vaccination mission, National Health Mission, who created this thing to bring Wi-Fi or data to everyone in villages, which was equivalent to having a PCO. 30 years back, public call office was there, which was created by Sam Pitroda those days. The same thing is now being created for the Wi-Fi. The mission of the Prime Minister is to have 10 million Wi-Fi hotspots in next 2 years. Out of them, 2 million have to be in villages. And my project actually will be capturing that 2 million opportunity in the villages. In the process, it has an ambition to create 1 million entrepreneur in villages. And our small thing is every day at least one, and that is being achieved the moment we started. And now my ask, of course, and ask it is starting with you itself, actually. I want to get connected to the CSR heads of your company. That means yourself. They always say charity begins at home. And or any of your connectors who have some ambition, passion, or some mission to give, but don't know what to give and where to give and to whom to give. So this is the platform, DigiGaon Foundation. You can give in kinds, you can give your time, you can give your connect, you can give some money also if you want. So, and you did not know what to do. And you can start with the lowest thing, and that is called $1. Just 69 rupees is the starting point of giving. And you get the pleasure of giving in the process. And you also become automatically a patron of the DigiGaon Foundation once you give there. So the CSR head of yourself, your family, your company, your connects. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, I'll ask Atul to introduce. I think there are some others also have joined, but Atul, you're next.
Yeah. Amit ji, I think there are few more joined, like GS Ahuja ji joined, Vijay Shah ji joined.
Yeah, let them come, let them show their face first. Atul, you're next.
Right.
So my name is Atul
Please show your
Puri.
faces. Yeah.
Yeah. So मुंह दिखाई में आपको जो बोलने को मिलेगा. Right. So my name is Atul Puri, and my purpose in life is to empower and enable small businesses. We call them MSMEs in India, and we call them different names in different countries. This I do through multiple initiatives. One of the initiatives is a company called EBN Learning Private Limited. eGrowth is a brand which is owned by that. And eGrowth is a platform which works on 3 elements: collaboration, excellence, and opportunities. Other than this, I also run a training program to help business owners design their business. What I realized along my journey is that one of the key things which is missing is the design element of the business, and that is why 80% of the businesses, they collapse in a span of around 3 years. So this is essentially what I do. My ask is business owners, especially the smaller business owners who could have a business which starts from as little as say, around 10 odd lakh rupees, which is 1 million Indian rupees, and can go up to say 100 crore rupees. These are the business owners, and I'd love to work with them. And if you see, all of you are in that segment. If you've not participated in my program, I invite you to be there. Being a member of Inner Circle, the blueprint is complimentary for you. Beyond that, we can have a look. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So then I have these black screen. Mr. G.S. Ahuja, Mr. A. Sharma, Vijay Shah, Mr. Anand. Can you put on your video and introduce?
So can I get exemption for the video for another 5 minutes?
Yeah. So then we'll go to the next
person.
Mr. A. Sharma, Mr. Vijay Shah, Mr. Anand.
So Anand Acharya just joined.
Anand Acharya, yeah, he's not responding. But we'll go next to Mr. Anand Pol. Mr. Anand Pol.
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good morning, all. Myself, Anand Pol, based out of Aurangabad in Maharashtra. I'm MBA with materials management, postgraduate diploma in materials management. I did my science graduation, having almost 42 years of the industrial experience, worked in industry in different capacities. I have a functional mapping skills for the ERP systems, which I did for the Oracle, SAP, as well as for the Microsoft Navision. I'm a trainer, I'm a coach, and I was a part of the change management team of my company. Thank you very much. 1 minute, just a minute. I did 7 H2H during this month of May, and which was really, I'll say, informative, collaborative, and I think that I'll be able to go ahead with the suggestions and the connects which we have received from the other people. And during my create session today, I'll be explaining more about myself. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Great. I think I can see Mr. Anand. Can you please introduce yourself in 60 seconds with your clear ask, please, Mr. Anand? You're on mute. You are still on mute. No, it's not working out. All right. Yeah. Mr. Anand, are you there? No. Let me.
Hello.
I think.
Did you get my voice?
Yeah. Now I can hear you. Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm Anand Acharya. I was working in the bank. I was in a assistant general manager cadre. I retired in 2004. So I have experience in banking only.
All right. And you've been invited by?
I was in State Bank of Hyderabad. Now that is merged with the State Bank of India.
Okay. All right. And your ask is which type of people you want to connect with, Mr. Anand?
I know Mr. Pol.
Okay. Yeah, I think fine. You talk to Mr. Anand Pol. He will probably be able to help you out. and get you connected there. Right. Okay. Thank you. Right. I can't see others' video yet. So let me introduce. Yes, Mr.
My mobile is not working today. I joined from my PC where my camera is not working.
Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Vijay Shah. Just quickly introduce yourself.
Yeah, good morning. I'm Vijay Shah. My company name is the Insurance Auditors. We are in the 46th business of insurance. As the order suggests, we are basically order for the claim purpose. All of us now must be having the health insurance or the medical policy in this times. Many of the company policies don't give the complete claim as they claim to be. As per the lot of amendments are coming in the insurance policy since last many years, and there are n number of the fine claims. So definitely we can suggest you which kind of policy if you have, and if whatever policy you have, how to get the claim from the company. Even if you have not mentioned the company policy, we go by the international regulations and we fight against the insurance company to get the claim. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Ahuja, we can see you. I hope you can.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, yes.
So, I am GS Ahuja, CA by profession, and I am based out of Noida. I'm been quite irregular rather, in the inner circle thing. So my ask, actually, I'm rebuilding my practice. Earlier, clients were taken over by Mr. Ambani the Great. So I'm just trying to rebuild my client base and with the focus on NRIs. So my ask is anybody who can put me through to NRIs or NRI associations or groups of Indians who are overseas. Thanks.
Thank you, thank you. And like you, Mr. Ahuja, there are many people. There are some other people in Inner Circle who are rebuilding their brand itself and reorienting because of pandemic and things. So don't worry. They are like you, many people. Mr. Mohammad Zia Quadri, I think you have joined. Can you introduce yourself? If you can. No? All right. I think all of us are done except me. So let me introduce myself. So I'm Amit Chawla. I'm a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software industry, a Josh Talk speaker and author of the Amazon bestseller book, The Clarity First. You know what I love about my work is that each day I get to walk with young. Walk means coach, and walk with young and ambitious people while they are in pursuit of their happiness in success. And in this journey together, I help them gain clarity of direction, clarity of path, and clarity of actions so that they reach their goals faster and in a joyful manner. And as a business clarity coach, I do this through my personalized clarity coaching sessions, virtually or face-to-face over 3 to 6 months period. You can book a free 90 minutes clarity strategy session with me where I will help you gain clarity in your business. In the last 2 weeks, I had 7 H2H. I had 2 H2H with Mr. Anand Nayak back to back to know each other's business. Then I had with 2 H2H with Mr. Anand Pol. And I think hopefully because of that H2H, he's coming now for the create session as well. And then I had 1 H2H with Mr. Harihar Sharma. And you'll be seeing him in his new avatar. I mentioned in my note also earlier. He's kind of rebranding himself. And I had 1 H2H with Mr. R.K. Mishra while he was being isolated in his room, while others in the family had COVID. He was the non-COVID person, isolated, and had a good H2H with him. And 1 I had with Mr. Satya Gupta and Dr. Rashmi Tiwari, whom I had connected with him. I think there's an opportunity for Mr. Satya Gupta to work with Rashmi, as their initiatives are similar. And my give is Mr. Amit Roy. He's a business storyteller and a branding consultant. I'm also utilizing his services at many times. And my ask is the founders of software companies that are into digital transformation with 50 plus employees and 10 CR plus revenue in India. Thank you so much. All right. Good. Anybody else who's left for introduction? All done. Mr. Anand Pol, we'll move to the action. You're on mute.
Marcel,
You
you
are
have to
on
help
mute.
me. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So this was the introduction session. Introduction part was done. Now we move to the action part. Action session is where we take some concrete action so that we are busy for the next 2 weeks. And for that, we do this exercise of actually fixing the H2H with all the members who are here or who are also not come here by calling them and fixing the time right now. Right now means right now. And you should have the number of the person. You call the person, put the entry in your calendar that no, this is the date time when that H2H will happen, right? And when I say start, then you will start this activity. But also please remember, like Mr. Anandpol mentioned, there are H2H being done between us, but also we are doing H2H with our referral. Let's say we connect somebody, like Atul connected, I think, Mr. Rajesh Puthiraja on a H2H with his referral. So the 3 people are talking to each other and getting that referral connection happen. And same way, we'll be also going forward. Atul, I've not talked to you as yet, but Anandpol and we have talked about this, is that with the speakers who had come in these sessions, we can have an H2H with them as well as a group. Let's say 3 or 4 people have a meeting with Mr. Umesh, the Shruti who came 2 days back. We can have a session with them and understand what is going on in their manufacturing industry. Let's say what are their challenges and how, as Inner Circle, some of the members can support either through the people who are in the meeting or through our network, right? So if we are sit in the meeting and we find, oh, they are looking for a recruiter or to hire people with a particular skill set, then we can, like, for example, get Shifali involved and get them connected. So this H2H is a practice we are building up, which will be also used to connect with the industry leaders that we have in our connects. All right. So you know the drill. Please call the people that are over here and fix 4 H2H for the next 2 weeks. 4 H2H. Please share your phone numbers, everybody, and fix the H2H with them right now. Graham, like you wanted to talk with Krishnan, do that right now and fix the time. Okay, don't wait. This is the time. Next 10 minutes is what we're going to do. Once you're done, please raise your hand that you got 4 H2H fixed for the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
Is it clear? Your action time starts now, please. Anjali, can you put your number, please, in your chat box? I need to call you. Anjali, are you there? I want to have a call with you. Anjali, please unmute also if you want to talk to somebody here and want to call.
I would like to connect with Mr. Krishnan. I have a connect for him.
Yeah.
So I have written my, provided
Yeah,
my
call
phone number.
call him.
Okay.
Get in touch with him right now. Anjali, can you give your
don't
number?
have
I need
his
to talk to
number.
you. Yeah.
Mr. Krishnan, can I have your number, please?
Right, I'll send it right away.
Yeah.
996 738 0995.
Yeah, Atul. Short story. H2H tomorrow works. Noon. Okay. Noon.
Mr. Krishnan, I have provided my number in the chat box. Please
Okay.
connect.
I'm calling you, Anjali. Anjali, I'm calling you. I hope everybody is calling, right? Ajish, can you give your number, please? Can you put in the chat box your number?
Hello. Anjali Krishnan. Yes. You wanted to talk to me, you said. No, that's fine, absolutely fine. Because since you're online, I thought I'll call you right away.
Ajish, I want to connect with you. Can you share your number? Okay, I've got it. I'm just calling you.
I've done it, yeah. I'm already in the chat box. Put my number there. Yeah. That's correct. That's correct. Anytime you tell me, you can get in touch. I'm free after this webinar, possibly. Sunday, yeah, fine. Sunday, 4 p.m., absolutely fine. Please call me. I'll schedule it right away. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Atul, I'm calling you.
Haji Virendra ji.
Hello, Raman.
Yeah.
I'm trying to call you, but the number I noted it didn't.
Yeah, you tell me the time. No problem. You tell me the time, I'll get myself free. After 4 p.m. All right. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Amit ji. Hello.
Can somebody guide me how
Hello.
to see the chat?
Amit ji.
Some system has been changed.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hanji, Amit ji, I have done all my 4.
Beautiful. You are the. I got my 4 also.
also done 4.
Those who have, please raise your hand. 4 H2H. Rate not like this, Bhaujari, just raise by reaction.
Oh.
Reaction.
I've forgotten the protocol.
Ajish, I'll send you the details on WhatsApp, how to connect. Anjali, one H2H pending with you. I was trying to call you. If you want to do more H2H, please fix that because it will keep you busy.
Hello? Yes. Hi, Graham. Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
I think I got my 4 done. We got 5 people done. Anjali, you got 4? Mr. Raman, did you get your 4 connects? Yeah, it's not easy to fix 4 H2H. Those who are expert, I think Satyaji has become expert now. He started leading.
Yeah.
Atul got the maximum, I think. Atul, you got how many?
7.
7 already. Yeah.
I need to catch up. I need to cover up for the absence, right?
Yeah, it is H2H and O2O also, right? Oxygen to oxygen.
Yes.
Yes.
And I've got a suggestion. Okay. As of now, we are looking at or focusing on setting up meetings with the people who are present on the right now in here. Okay. I would suggest that each one of us makes it a point that we have at least 2 meetings. They may not be the H2H, which is say half an hour. Maybe have only a 5 minutes conversation with those people who have not been on the call. Okay. So I did this with Martin, and today we've got both James as well as Graham over here. For Rajesh and Martin, there was a new connect which came up. All right.
Beautiful.
So this is so we've seen some people like Sucheta said that I'm here after a break. So there are many people who are waiting for that one hand or one conversation to come back into the conversation.
Sure.
All right.
We should do that.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Right. All right. I think we're running out of time. We'll finish this this activity, the actions activity as such, and we'll move to the create session. Atul, if you can help us tell us about what create session is, and we'll have Anand Pol's presentation then started up. Atul.
All right. So in the previous presentation, we said that the 5 elements of inner circle are opportunities, resolving challenges, valued contacts, industry connect, and what was the 5th one? Okay, I'll need to recall that. Okay, in this, the challenge, resolving challenges, for that the initiative that we have is called as CREATE. CREATE is an acronym for C stands for challenge, R is resolution, E is empathy, A is analysis, T is trust, and the second E is empower and enable. So what happens in the create session is one person, he comes up front, he takes around 8 to 10, he or she takes around 8 to 10 minutes to talk about his business and one pressing challenge at that point in time. And then all of us take the next couple of minutes to give inputs on this specific challenge. And how we do that is challenge, resolution, empathy, empathize with the person who's there up there. Okay. A is analyze what he's talking about. T is there has to be enough trust in him and in ourselves. And empower and enable. Just consider that person is a different person, but the challenge that he's sharing is your and my challenge. So over to you, Anand sir.
Yes. So today's session is by Mr. Anand Pol. I've shared the presentation. You are able to see it, Mr. Anand? You are on mute.
Good morning, everybody. It's an opportunity to say something about myself, my ask, and what we are talking about the create session. Just now, Atul has already explained the meaning of CREATE. What is that? And let us take the opportunity to create the connects to get the resolution or the exponential growth in our businesses. I just brief about myself. About the speaker, means myself, the objective is to be a coach entrepreneur to share part knowledge and collaborative activity planning for business transfers to the next generation. This is what is my objective. Why I am saying so, I will definitely talk to you next slide. Identify the new requirements of the new, just a minute, please. Identify new requirements of new generation and ways to support. I'm talking about the first generation business entrepreneurs and the second generation or third generation entrepreneurs, wherein there is a difference or the generation gap, and definitely the technology speaks. So we need to understand what is the requirement of the new generation or second generation, and how e-growth and every individual will be able to support them. I'm having 42 years of the industrial experience in the various capacities. I worked with the industry chamber as a secretary general for 4 years. I'm a functional mapping expert for the SAP, Oracle and Microsoft. Most of these people from the software industries must be knowing what is the functional mapping. That is to map the process. Then I'm a visiting faculty for the MBA, ICW and graduate diploma materials management students also. And I'm a trainer and was a member of change management program implementation team in my organization. Next please, Amitji. My business, actually, to be honest with you, after serving for about 46 years in the industry and chamber, I have no business as such to say. And last year after pandemic, before pandemic, I just retired for a month or so. In the last February, I retired. And after that, because of this pandemic, because of these lockdowns and the situation in the country and in my place also, there was no business to do as such. So my service offerings, so I have not thought of any business, I have not done any activity, and practically I am out of any business as such. My service offerings are, I'm a functional process mapping in ERP, I can do that. I'm a trainer, I'm a change management trainer also, and faculty for MBA, GDMM and ICW. My product advantage, whatever I have, will help in new vision, mission, business process mapping after COVID scenario. Because now what I am saying so is because after COVID, everybody has to relook into the business processes, their service processes, or the way in which they are doing the business. During last Mr. Umesh Dashrathi's presentation in the Industry Connect, he had given a lot of insights to us for the future 5 years, 10 years, what exactly is going to happen. And when he was talking about, it is quite possible that there will be a air taxi also, which will take off all the vehicles on the road. And what exactly is going to be the new aspects of the business? What are going to be the new opportunities? So this is going to be the advantage to look into. What customer is going to be benefited? Creation of business for the new from the new perspective, virtual business opportunities I am talking about. And I am appealing to the industry or to the service providers that please look into the possible changes required after COVID business requirements. Let us discuss, plan and restart. Next please, Amitji. SWOT analysis. See, strength, requirement of its basic requirement is that every industry wants to change, there is no doubt about that. They have to relook into the business process and their opportunities. What are the weaknesses of this? As it's not like strategy, it's not a strategy that मुझे मेरा functional change करना है, process change करनी है, but it's not a statutory requirement or compliance which is compulsory by law. So business owners are ignoring. That is the weakness of the business owners. What are the opportunities? But still there are opportunities which talks about multiple new scenarios, technology upgrading, automation, cost reduction, value addition activity mapping. What I am talking about value addition is you need to ensure that you add values to your business, to your activities, to your processes. But there are certain threats also. That is uncertainty because of the present situation in India, even abroad. No clarity after COVID third. क्या होने वाला है पता नहीं है किसी को. Whether really it's going to be a simple, whether it's going to threat more again, or what is going to happen, there is no clarity in the business people, service providers, industry, and even the common public. Financial threats because of that. And even if we do a change, or even if we think of changing, what after change? So this is the question, and the mindsets of the people really needs to be changed. And unless they change their mindset, or unless we help them to change their mindset, it is not going to, this threat is not going to be removed from their mind. Next, please. It is my one line ask. I request all IC in creating opportunities to expertise which I own and which I have already said in my presentation. Next, please. What are the challenges? What is going to bring change in the game or in the business? We really need to change the mindsets of the people by talking to them on an individual basis, by looking into their business and where we'll be able to support them for making these changes. Last 1 year has really brought a lot of new opportunities to the people, which we need to look into it. My target clients are MSMEs. My mail ID and my contact numbers are already displayed here, which you can note down and communicate to each other. And thank you for your precious time for listening to me, and I await your suggestions. Thank you very much. Thank you, Amitji.
Thank you. Atul, if you can lead this conversation, please.
Sure. So my first request to Anand ji is, if you can please dwell slightly more on your ask.
1 minute, I'll just talk about that. See, inner circle members, I request them, see, during our conversation with the Industry Connect, or the people, those who have attended the knowledge session or participated in the knowledge session or done the knowledge session, they have shown some changes which are expected in the near future, maybe 1 year, 5 year, 10 year. Okay. Now, looking into these opportunities and changes awaited in the technology, in the business process, in the individual's requirement, I want to tap those opportunities and then find out what e-growth and the individual of the IC can support them by, after, just now when Amit was saying, we are going to fix a meeting with Mr. Umesh Dashati, we are going to fix meeting with Sunil Rai Thataji, we are going to fix meetings with the new second generation entrepreneurs, those who are going to be there on this platform. So, as a group of 4 or 5 people, we'll be talking to them, finding out what they are doing, what is there in their mind to adopt the changes, what they need to change, and those opportunities are going to be business opportunities for the e-growth.
So forget. I am not saying forget. Keep e-growth aside. For Mr. Anand Pol, what is the challenge right now?
My challenge is, unfortunately, as I said, during last 1 year, after
Amit is smiling already.
Amit
Yeah,
is
actually,
smiling,
the challenge is to express the challenge.
to express
Yes.
the challenge. Very good. I know that. The reason is, as I said, I was in the job, doing job with the industry plus doing job with the industry chamber.
So don't get into the reason. Come to the challenge.
I'm coming to the challenge only. No connect, no business, no earning opportunities.
Okay, fantastic. So now, so the challenge is to create earning opportunities.
Absolutely.
In the space of ERP, functional mapping, and the new opportunities which are coming up because of the pandemic or otherwise.
Yeah.
And congratulations, we've got the first hand up. Virendra ji, please.
So I think Amit ji se वैसे आपकी बहुत लंबी H2H चली है, and I can see that even after that there are few things which you are not clear about. That is about your own mindset. I think we discussed about this, that when you are thinking business, you have to think business. At that time, clubbing multiple things will be a difficult task. So my first request will be to have a more clarity on what exactly you want to achieve from that your business. So it is assignments which you are looking from the industry, where you get opportunity to make changes into their processes. That is the opportunity you're looking for. You are looking for a training opportunity. You are looking for maybe a connect with the management or ICW institutes where you can go and train. So, or you want to do all of things to generate revenue. What is that exactly? Still I am confused, and that's the reason I thought, let me just ask you very straight to you that, are you looking for a revenue generation model for your company where you will keep getting some revenue every month as a business through these three verticals? Is this something which I can understand for a better clarity?
Absolutely correct. As I said, after retirement, there is no revenue opportunity or there is no earning. Whatever savings we had, we are pulling on with whatever savings we have. So the first and foremost is the industry connect. I am not a problem. See, I have very good industry connect. I am looking for the opportunity to create opportunity for the change of process or the ERP mapping process.
Right. So I think Anand ji हमने इस पे 1-to-1 किया था, और हम जब औरंगाबाद आए, when I was in Aurangabad, I think we had a discussion on this, that whatever our product or services, we have to create a catalog, or we must create something that what all services and the product I can provide. If you have that very handy, it is very easy for a person or a company to understand it. Second is the collaboration, where I'm working with Tally, so I have a association where people collaborate and they generate business. So for example, connecting with Microsoft or SAP and searching that if you can be a partner with them, where you can promote their product into your contract. That is an opportunity which can be created immediately. Third is where you go and be a consultant to the or companies, where you say that how SAP or Microsoft can be helpful to you. So these are the three ways to at least start interaction, where people can understand that what exactly you are coming up with. And when they have a clear idea, yes, you are a person who is a consultant for industry. I'm saying you are a consultant, and you help them to make changes into their app or Microsoft or the process functionality, software functionality, so that they look up to you with that perspective. Your identity in their mind will be that. They will not be confused. Second is when you are talking to a company like SAP or Microsoft or whatsoever, then there you are a dealer for them who is having a contact in the industry. You can take their product to the industry. So you act as a dua, हम जो मराठी में बोलते हैं. So you act as a mediator or a person who helps them to meet at a common platform and create a market for. So that's one thing is there, and because you are associated with them, you can start creating a webinar and knowledge sessions for people to make them aware about what importance of it. That's what I feel, and we can have a one-to-one.
Absolutely perfect. Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Rajesh ji.
You're on mute.
No, he is not on mute, but something else. We're not able to hear you, Rajesh ji. Hello.
No.
Yeah,
can you hear?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah. Anandji, 2.5 years ago, when I hung my boots from the corporate, I was in a similar situation. Now, the bottom line in all this is collaboration.
Absolutely.
Is often one thinks that I can do everything, but you're not expert in everything. So if you try just giving what you are offering, maybe the industry does not need that. Or maybe you cannot sell it well. Two things in this is, if you are expert in ERP and functional mapping, and you are not an expert in selling that, look for a partner who can sell that better. Because you have the know-how, but you don't have the ability to sell it.
Absolutely.
So one,
very correct.
Look at that. Number two, look at challenges which industries are facing and look for partners. Now, I have built this platform of mine, ZS India, and I have a lot of partners in it who are now actively engaged in the projects which I'm doing. I am generating revenue for myself. I'm generating revenue for them also. So, so they feel encouraged to stay on my platform, and not just I put their name there and say there's nothing for me, there's nothing for you. So that is an ongoing thing for me, that I must generate revenue, and I'm constantly looking at improving my vision, improving my connect with the industry, and which is where I've been pushing Atul, and he's got me connected with the Maratha Chamber. You're going to get me connected, Anandji, with the Marathwada Chamber. I'm talking to Chima also this Sunday to connect me with the Chandigarh Industry Chamber. So I have to create more visibility for the platform so that I get business and I can then share that business. So two things. One is look for someone who can sell your services better. And two is collaborate.
Absolutely perfect. Thank you.
Vijay ji, Mr. Vijay Shah.
Good morning, Mr. Anand. What I see
Good
for
morning.
anybody as Mr. Mr. Anand Budraja, about the visibility, people would like to know to whom I'm going to bank upon. With your case studies and the testimonials, you will be having lot with your very big, huge experience. If you put nutshell and if you prepare the website, people can visit your website. They not necessarily call up, you'll be visible. Immediately, I suppose if I know about your website, I can report to somebody else also, can visit the website, get the information, and then thereafter they can contact you. So this is one of the...
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Amit.
Yeah. So Anandji, first of all, thanks for coming out and sharing this things within the Create session, because that itself, the first step itself is a big step, because nobody even knew that this is the challenge that you were having. Even though you were vice president, you were not even sharing this, and you were always giving, connecting, giving, but not asking. So thanks for coming out and asking. What I would suggest is, like we talk also, is in your case, you are creating your own new portfolio, or it's like a new Anandpol 2.0. It's like I call it Anandpol 2.0. Now that has to be rebranded and recrafted in some way, which is ready for future, right? Because of your experience in ERP and functional mapping, how that can be leveraged in the future. And there I can sense, some of the sessions we have attended, there is huge changes going to happen in the processes in manufacturing industry itself. Right? We talked 2 days back on that, which is a big fear, with big fear in the industry, and also an opportunity. It's a huge opportunity also. Now, which means you can, if you craft yourself properly at this time, then it can be a big win for you. And I can sense you could be probably a manufacturing process change expert, which is making manufacturing industry ready for future, making them ready for future, and not the past, but the future. So that kind of something you can bring out as a core service, something around it. And you already have good connects in the industry. So getting the initial 1 or 2 clients should not be that difficult for you, because you can have starting point. And obviously, like was mentioned, collaboration is very important. Alone, you may not be able to do it. So that collaboration can happen. But one thing I'll tell you, to get into this space, one change you have to bring in yourself also, a huge change, which is to unlearn and learn. You have to unlearn many things and learn new things. Because the future world is not the same as the functional mapping, may or may not be even valid, or the function would have changed. So all your knowledge is one side, then new things are totally different. So you'll have to, at times throw away things that you know and learn new things.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that is the readiness you need to build. And in that space, anything I can help you, I'll be always there.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
मिथिलेश जी.
आवाज आ रही है सर?
जी.
इनफैक्ट मेरी S2H हुई है.
थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलिए प्लीज. हाँ जी. आ रही.
मेरी S2H हुई है आनंद सर से. इनका जो इंडस्ट्री कनेक्ट है वो बहुत ही शानदार. ही हैज अ ग्रेट इंडस्ट्री कनेक्ट. एंड जो राजेश जी और अमित जी ने बताया है ना, वही सोल्यूशन है। एक तो इस एज में ना इतना आसान नहीं है कि हम किसी चीज को सेल करने के लिए, फ्रेश सेल करने के लिए निकले। सबसे बेस्ट तरीका क्या होगा कि कोलैबोरेशन करें उन लोगों के साथ जो इसी फील्ड में हैं और उनके बैकअप बन जाएं। हम उनको अगर कनेक्ट कराते हैं, काम उनको दिलाते हैं और काम उनका संभालते हैं, ये पॉसिबल है। सुपरवाइजरी करना ये पॉसिबल है कि ठीक है ये काम मिल गया और उसको हम सुपरवाइज करके पैसे कमाते हैं। और कनेक्ट जितना आपका है ना, कि मुझे लगता है सबके लिए बिजनेस जनरेट कर सकते हैं। यू कैन जनरेट बिजनेस फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन द कनेक्शन यू हैव। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये है कि सबसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट करें, दूसरों के साथ कोलैबोरेट करें और अपने इंडस्ट्री कनेक्ट को यूज करें, वो बहुत यूज है आपके पास। सो मैं खुद भी आपके साथ कनेक्ट करूंगा जो बात हुई है, एंड होपफुली वी विल डू समथिंग।
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anybody else? All right. So I will go next. The problem or the challenge that Anand sir you shared, I can just say that I can resonate with you.
Okay.
I'm sitting on a pile of contacts. I can give connects to everybody. I can say that without blinking an eye. But when it comes to converting that into money, I don't know that.
Okay.
All right. And this is with most of us. We are talking about collaboration. So collaboration is the next step, but still somewhere that has to be converted into an opportunity. Okay. So one thing what I will suggest to you is please meet up or have a conversation with Martin and with Graham. Okay.
Okay.
They are into smart factory space and they are looking at coming into India. Okay. Now, if you go to a factory and tell them that I'll do the functional mapping for you, they would not be interested. But if you are telling them that we can give you a smart factory solution, and for every $1,000 that you are spending, you are saving $200, they would be interested.
Okay.
All right. So this includes Mr. Raithata. This also includes Mr. Dashrathi. They are running businesses and they are looking at opportunities to save money or to make more money out of whatsoever they're spending. So what if you could take eLocate to them?
Yeah.
And in that process, what will eLocate do? eLocate would need to have a blueprint of how do they run their business. That is where functional mapping will come. And this functional mapping will not have anything to do with ERP. So what you are doing is, you are repurposing your knowledge. So you are a functional mapping expert, but instead of using that for ERP, you are using that for smart factory.
Okay.
Make sense?
Absolutely.
So I'm just giving one. So your customer or your partner is eLocate. Okay. Similarly, when you have a conversation with Rajesh Buddhiraja, you are able to do a so-called survey of the company, that what is the kind of solutions they may need. So they may need a solution where heat dissipation is a problem, or efficient heat dissipation is not happening. Do you know who would be the solution provider there?
It will be Buddhiraja.
Fantastic, somebody. And today, Mr. Krishnan, he said that lighting plays an important role. What if in Mr. Dashrathi's factory, they invest 2 lakh rupees in lighting and the productivity increases by 50,000 rupees per month. So in 1 year, 6 lakh rupees with an investment of 2 lakh rupees. So what happens?
Understood.
Mr. Krishnan gets business. You get your business, your revenue share in between, and you are contributing to Dashrathi also. So Dashrathi also becomes important. So it's a win-win-win for all of them.
Okay.
Does this make sense?
Absolutely. It makes sense.
Can I also
That's
pitch
what
in?
we are looking for.
Sure. So just a moment, Ahuja Sahab. So this is a problem for all of us. And this is one way of how we can leverage it. So whenever we are having a heart-to-heart conversation, let us look at how do we convert that into money. Conversion into money is the challenge for each one of us. Hanji Ahuja ji, please.
So my submission is that during the course of our careers, what 15, 20, 30 years, whatever, we have all developed multiple skills. So to go and pitch one skill or one competence only may or may not make sense, simply because if I go to Atul and say, Atul, I'll do, say, non-resident taxation for you, that may not be relevant for you, even though I have the skill set. But so ultimately it depends on talking to Atul and seeing, assessing his need and then providing a solution. Instead of, pitching our, going and saying, I will be doing this for you, you may not need it. So that my point simply is que find the pain point, find the gap, and then fit it. That's all.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well said. Thank you very much.
Can I add something?
Please,
one point
please,
came out while you're talking. Is I think like Ahuja said was find the pain point of your clients. Probably Anandji, maybe your clients are sitting right now in this room, because all of us have this pain point that we need to connect with the right industry connects, and we don't have those connects, and you are the one who provide the solution. So maybe instead of looking at industry leaders as your clients, it could be us, some of those who need those connects, and that I don't know how we can do that service, but that's something can be leveraged. Just a thought came.
Amit ji, मैंने कहा था कि we all probably need we all talk, no? We want SME connects, we want owners.
Yeah.
And he's having a pool of connect where people know him personally, and just on a phone he can connect with anyone. So I in fact offered him a lot, that let's collaborate and start doing that activity, so that somewhere something will start. And once we create that success story, that will be can be implemented everywhere for all our inner growth as well as outside the inner growth customers.
Can I add? Within just 1 minute, I did my create session today. It's the beginning of that.
Great. So thanks to you and Amit ji.
Amit.
Yeah. Mr. Raman, you were saying something?
I want to add to whatever Atul said, and listening to Anand ji. See, any factory, any home, any hospital, connectivity, they have an existing installation. They want to upgrade it from sustainability perspective, saving energy is a big opportunity, huge.
Yeah.
We can also bring in people who will be funding that project and take their share after deducting all those, energy savings and all those things. You be the lead, we are the backup for you. And you just connect us, and you will be kept in the loop for everything. All we need is, like Amit ji said, connectivity. We are there to assist, help in whichever way possible. I can do lighting. And now, like Rajesh said, we are collaborating. He does the heating part, we do the lighting. So we are creating a consortium. So you pick up the people who will help you as a consortium, and you connect. And you'll be there in the picture, you'll be the lead. But we will be doing all the work and keep you in the picture. It's very easy. Connectivity is the most difficult part. You can be a genius, but if you are not able to connect with people and associate yourself, business will never be done. I mean, I've gone through this, so that's why I'm sharing this. Today, I'm also looking at collaboration with people across the globe, not only in India, across the globe. I bring in architects. For example, if you have a city planning happening, for example, you live in Pune, right? Is that what I understand?
No, I live in Aurangabad.
Aurangabad, okay. Let's say Aurangabad city, they want to develop it as a smart city. You will need architects. That's the beginning. Who does the master planning? I bring in the architects to you from USA. They are my friends. They've done development of Dubai. That's a classic example for them. So we bring in architects. And then we have people like Graham who do IoT. We do lighting. We do everything. So it's huge. It's huge. The connectivity part is a key to everything else. Who you know, how much you know about them. That's about it. I'm here to help in any way, lighting or anything else, infrastructure, anything. You let me know. All right?
Thank you very much, Ramesh. Thanks a lot.
So we're actually overshot our time by around 15 minutes. Yet I'd like to add one more thing. So this actually gives me another idea that maybe during this 2 weeks gap, we organize a huddle. When I'm saying a huddle, this is more like a consulting firm. So if we were an ENY or if we were a KPMG, each partner is handling a different business. So we've got 20 people here right now on this conversation. In Inner Circle, we've got around 50 people. These 50 people are subject matter. They are partners of Inner Circle Consulting or eGrowth Consulting. And each one of us brings different speciality. And some of us, we've got tigers who go out and hunt. You are one of them, by the way. Okay. And maybe we have Virendra Ingle, who is a sales specialist. So who gives us those teeth to go and bite on every. So in jungle, they say whenever a lion moves out or a tiger moves out, he sees everything as food. That is why everybody else respects him or runs away. So the moment you start seeing your contacts as money, it may be for somebody else, that's fine. But yet it is money. Everything will change.
Anand,
my webinar is on 5th. Please join. I'm going to clear all the thoughts about sales for you.
Okay. So on top of it, Virendra ji, my suggestion is, my request is, if you could have a webinar or a conversation only for Inner Circle, wherein we can question you and we can tear things apart, and all of us become sales guys. So this is a challenge for all of us.
No problem. Ahuja ji, maybe you can add something here because he recently attended my program.
So it is a worthwhile exercise simply because during our daily routines we lose our ways. So basically coming back to basics, and I mean that is what is important in anything. You talk to any Ratan Tata, that main point is you stick to basics in life, and that. So I thought it is good to connect again with the basic points, which is what I will recommend. Yes.
I think we are done with the create session and the discussion, right?
Yes.
I hope Mr. Anand, you got value from this.
Very many values from this, and addition also to what I was thinking and looking at the things which we need to change.
Yes, and also it's putting me also the thinking cap on. Like Atul said, probably Inner Circle is Inner Circle Consulting, with these are consultants and like consortium going together for getting the clients. So
just one thing I would like to add what Atul said. See, we really need to create one small paper which talks about the expertise available in eGrowth, which can be circulated to the industry, and out of that, whatever they need, they will call you or they will capture it.
Absolutely.
So my request to Atul is that please create one small presentation of 3, 4, 5 slides about these 20, 50 people, those who are on the platform. Send it to everybody. Wherever there is an industry connect or wherever we find an opportunity for the people to provide the services, consultancy or their expertise sharing, I'll suggest once it is received by people like us, we'll use our connects to share it with the industry, and after that I think the things will start rolling.
Let me take an initiative for that. Let me compile that list.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Yeah.
आहूजा जी आप ही कर सकते हो, ये बाकी सब किसी का बस की नहीं है.
अच्छा नहीं, क्यों ऐसा कोई चीज क्या है उसके अंदर यार, एक कंपाइल तो करना है. Anyway,
see, we needed a neck on the block and you put it.
Right. I think as far as
one minute. No, I'm asking Ahuja ji ki by what time it will be ready? Action.
Awesome.
So, a first version maybe within a week.
Fantastic. So let's put the date to it.
Friday. Next
No,
Friday.
which week? This week? Next week?
Next week, Friday.
Next week, Friday. Okay. Thank you very much, Ahuja ji.
All right. I think as far as the meeting is concerned, we are through with all the content. This is more networking, and also with the guests we have. Atul, you want to talk to
Yes.
them?
Let us please have a breakout room. Let us have the guests in the breakout room.
Can you create that, or
you create it?
No, I have not created.
You can. No problem. So let me just do that.
I think the guest we have is Mr. Krishnan, Mr. Anand, and
Acharya.
Mr. Sarma. I not seen that. And who else? Anjali, are you a guest or you are a member?
She's a guest.
Is guest still?
Yeah.
There are two Anjali Gupta coming up. So.
Me too.
Ajish is there. Anjali is there.
Yeah.
Mr. Raman.
Krishnan
is there.
Yeah. So you'll be getting the invite from Atul for joining that breakout room. Please.
And
those are guests.
I'm inviting Virendra and Amit as well there, right?
Okay.
Okay, great.
Others can continue your discussion or networking here. Atul, I have not got the invite. It came and went actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Came and went.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I can. You're in the listing.
Yes.
Listening all the time.
Yeah. So how was your experience? So let us take around 1 minute each from three of you. Ajish, Mr. Krishnan, and Anjali.
Yeah. So wonderful experience, sir. I already discussed yesterday regarding this. I'm going to join on today or tomorrow. I'm going to join. I will call you, sir. I will call you within 1 hour. I will call you or tomorrow.
Perfect.
Maybe today or tomorrow I will call you.
Okay. Any questions that you have? I'll just come back with the questions. Okay. Thanks. Mr. Krishnan.
No, it was an interesting morning, essentially, and I think there could be a lot of potential connectivity. As long as we are able to talk to each other and take action on whatever we discuss, it will work out very well. And that's what I normally do with people, you know. So for me, it's another channel. And we had a conversation, you and I, a couple of days ago, and there's a lot of things that happen. Like I said to a little bit earlier, this connectivity contact is what makes everything change. Because if you're connecting me with someone, the someone obviously trusts you a lot, and he'll not even wait to analyze who this person is. He says, Atula said it's fine, it's okay, it must be good. That the word of mouth plays a big role. And of course, and also the experience, your domain expertise, and because you are also, see, guys like us, I've been working for the last 48 years and still extremely active. God has been kind to me. See, the question is, they understand the old relationship. Most of them are retired, but they still have the connectivity going. They'll pick up the phone and speak. Krishna is coming, talk.
So do you think this structure is for you, the inner circle structure that you experienced today?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And Anjali, what do you have to say about it? Anjali, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. I really liked the meeting, the way it went through. The two things that I really liked the most about your meeting was, one is the fixing the edge to edge there and then, because when you are out of the meeting, out of sight, out of mind. So these are the kind of things that happen. And people usually forget that they have to fix it. So you fix it right now, then of course you know that there is an appointment that needs to be taken care of, and then you honor that appointment. This was number one. Secondly, on the presentation that was given by sir, it was a very good presentation. And the kind of insights and the inputs, plus the business opportunities that came after going through the presentation were immense. And that was quite, I could really feel that heartfelt thing in there. Okay, I really liked what you were doing, because you were giving consultancy, you were advising him the right way. Okay, these are the certain areas that you could possibly look into, because I know that, and of course all of us know that one person cannot just look into everything, cannot think about everything. So we need a team of people around us who can really help us, guide us through, and give us a different perspective altogether. So these are the two good things that I really liked about your session.
So did you see that these were, or at least some of them were relevant to your business, which impacted your business directly?
My business gets impacted, yes, of course, in case, they have a team of people whom they would like to groom, to become public speakers, or who would like to groom themselves to become public speakers and stand on the stage and speak, remove their hesitation, get a lot of confidence. So, of course, all these were relevant, but it depends upon the mindset of the people if they would like to really improve themselves. So that is one of the major criteria, I believe. So when I train somebody, do the people really have the mindset or not? So
yeah, see, what happens is, now when we were talking to Mr. Anand, it's not a challenge of mindset. There was something which was out of his view, right?
Right.
So similarly, for all of us, we would never have a complete view of the world, the business, the opportunities. Now that comes only when, since today it was like a huddle and we had around 20 people talking about one topic, and and each one of us was looking from a different perspective, different lens.
Yes.
And since all of us are business owners, the average experience is around 26 years.
Right.
With that kind of an experience, the insights that you get are phenomenal, right?
Correct.
And these are actionable. Right? Yeah. So now with this, would three of you like to join the inner circle? Or you got some questions?
I have a suggestion. I don't have a question.
Yeah, please.
See, I'll speak from my industry perspective, though it is all pervasive. Anything to do with activity, construction, we are there.
Right.
You have some architects, you have some designers,
Absolutely.
That will pave way for a lot more things, because anybody wants to build something, a factory or anything, the first person they approach is an architect who will do this. Kaun banayega a building? Mere liye? Kaise banayega? It all begins there, and from the architect it percolates down, where it is machinery, everything, layouts, everything. So if you get some interesting people, and they can also share a lot of information value.
Right. So a couple of things there. One, each one of us would have some contacts, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Second piece is for them it becomes relevant when they've got people through whom. So it boils down to business.
Yes.
Right. So now, if there is an architect who comes in and you are here, a lighting contractor, they would see that yes, there is a possibility that we'll get business. Maybe from Amit Chawla or from me, they will not see too much hope in the first go. Right. So it is like one step at a time. So Rajesh Buddhiraja saw it. Now you've seen it. So like we're building a pack of wolves who'll go and convert the market.
Okay.
Right.
There is,
and yes.
Also, what will happen is it is possible the people who are in the inner circle are not, there's nobody in architect, but in our network we have an architects. I know multiple architects. So it's not that what you're looking for is in this group. is in our network. Each person would have 20, 30 connects. From there, we can try to find out, and that's what how it helps.
One small example I would like to give it here. Like Ajish said that he's looking for people into hardware industry, people into computer hardware industry. Now I am not into hardware industry. I know people, those who are, I know probably 2,500 people pan India into hardware industry, and I'm directly connected to them. So that kind of an indirect connect will help Ajish into his business. So such thing can happen when we are regular and when we keep talking to people, and when we, when people understand what we exactly do. That's how the connect build maybe in the second or third interaction, and that's how we thank Atul to bring that instant H2H karma. So that's help us to bring meet people in the next week, and then build that relationship. That's how it helps.
And same thing, like Ajish, I've been also in the software industry for 3 decades. Now I've become a coach. So it's in the similar industry, and there could be some synergy there that can happen. And same thing with Anjali. I've also coached some speaker, like Nirja Singh, who's president of ESAI Delhi chapter. She's my client. And so there are a lot of other set of people whom we know who are in your type of domain, and we may have helped them, or we may be able to help them.
And also, if you would recall, in the preamble, one of the things we said was Inner Circle, or both eGrowth and Inner Circle, are an evolving ecosystem. All right. Every time there is a new person who comes in, or every time we have a new conversation, we evolve to the next level. We always had this concept of heart-to-heart conversations, but till a few weeks back, we never used to set them in the meeting itself. And ever since we started doing that, there's a new life which has come into the entire platform. Right?
Actually, one of my question, actually we have around 50 plus members, right, in the Inner Circle.
Yes.
But only 10 plus members are active. Why those people are not active? But if they get any...
So all of them are active. The only thing is, some of them we have one-to-one conversations with them. And also there is a fact that some people might have come here and got disenchanted. That is also a fact.
There is a priority also. See, basically now I was not there for last 2 meetings because I was so stuck up in my routines, because I was about to open my store. So there are chances that people will come and go, or maybe they choose to come for maybe 2 meetings, and remaining they are focusing on their business. And we give that freedom also to people that out of I think how many meetings we are going to do in a year, and we give some leeway that you can. It is not compulsory for you to attend each and every meeting, but you can have a H2H and you can go and meet people, or go and talk to them. So even if they are not coming, the best part about eGrowth, I'll tell you, other than any other platform, that in eGrowth, even if people are not coming for Inner Circle meeting, but you can pick up the phone and fix up an appointment, talk to them through our app, or maybe through our eGrowth portal. So that's the benefit. And because you are now part of Inner Circle eGrowth, the moment you become a part of Inner Circle eGrowth, you get an opportunity to connect with almost how many means more than 15,000 people, or maybe at least 5-10,000 people directly on a just click of a button. So that's something which happens.
And it's all actually depends on what action you take or we take. Yeah. And the action happens between the sessions, not necessarily in the session. In the session, Absolutely. We like index what is happening, because the meetings and discussions and the collaboration happens between the sessions when we have a speaker session, H2H happening. So it's very important to pick up the phone, fix the time, talk business, and get going. The platform is there. It's up to people to leverage.
One small thing which I remembered when I joined the gym almost 5 years back, and I entered into a gym, and I asked the gym owner that there are very few people into your gym. And he said that's a good opportunity. You get an instrument to play for a long time, you know. So it's all like, you know, you get an opportunity to interact and talk to people for a long time. If you have 1,000 people in the same room, probably you'll not get an opportunity to even speak about yourself and create an existence of yours in that 1,000, you know, establish yourself into that 1,000. Here, there are hardly 50 people in an inner circle. But if you look at eGrowth, there are so many people and you get an opportunity to talk to them. So you go out, make some outbound activity, connect with them, and fix up an S2H with them. I hope, means, you know, it's something which...
yeah, so I'll add to this. So there are two possibilities. One is to join a gym. The second one is to join a massage parlor. In a massage parlor, there is somebody who's working on you. And in the gym, you will get the benefit only when you are working. So this is not a massage parlor. This is a gym. The more you work, the better and toned muscles you have. So I promise you, you talk about any kind of resource. You talk about architects, by the evening, you can have access to 10 of them. Different cities, different categories. So industrial architects or maybe normal residential people, town planners, all of them. But that is only when you open your mouth. I want this. Like Anand sir, he has been here for many months. But until today, he never opened up what is he looking for. Right?
So I think if you all are ready, then probably Atulji, if we can tell them about the structure and other things.
Right.
Yeah.
So for the inner circle, we meet 2 times in a month, on the second Friday and the fourth Friday. Okay. The second Friday is exclusively for inner circle. We don't have any guests. And the video recording also does not go live. All right. And the fourth Friday, we invite guests so that we keep on expanding this inner circle. All right. Earlier, we used to have inner circle meetings every Friday, but then as a consensus, we thought that reduce the frequency, but increase the engagement. And that we've seen phenomenal results. Okay, this is one piece. Second is on every Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock, we have expert talks wherein we invite experts from the industry who come and share their knowledge. Yeah, the fifth element was knowledge. So opportunities, knowledge, valued contacts, industry connect, and challenges. These are the 5 things that we work on in Inner Circle. And knowledge is what we share on the Tuesday evenings. And all of you are also invited to come and give an expert session or a masterclass in one of the weeks. All right, so that's the other piece that's available. And the more you interact with others, the more value you would get. And we invite you to invite more connects from your fraternity so that we keep on growing this ecosystem. Right now, we have people from around 15 cities, which includes some cities abroad. So we've got people from Thailand who came in today. We also have a person from Australia, and we also have a person from Bangladesh. We are keen to expand to other geographies as well. So Krishnan sir, if you can invite some people from Dubai, that'd be really great. We would like to get into Middle East, and there's a lot of potential. So the moment that opens up, it opens up for all of us. All right.
I will try to do that.
Yeah, definitely. All right. So this is the other piece. So this we charge 30,000 rupees. So that is the rack rate for Inner Circle, if you would say. We were charging 20,000. And now because of COVID, we thought that right now money situation is not so good for everybody. So we're charging you only 12,000 rupees per annum. Okay. And if you pay within this week, then it will be 10,000 rupees plus GST for you. I'll share the link with you. If you go to the portal, you will see 30,000 rupees on the portal. I'll share the link for 10,000 rupees. And that is where we'll start.
12,000 including GST or plus GST?
10,000 plus GST.
12,000.
12,000 plus GST, obviously. All right. So any questions?
No.
So what I'll do is after this meeting, I have the 3 of your numbers. I'll share the link with you and we can start with that.
Okay.
All right.
Great.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So good to catch up with you. We'll go back to the main room if there are some people, and then we'll disperse.
Sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was about to leave.
Right. So
I think we are all done now. I think so. I will close the meeting now, and I'd like to know we'll see 3 of you in the next meeting, which will be on the second Friday of June, which
Yes.
is 11th of June, 7:30.
Yep. Okay.
Right?
Bye.
Bye.